What's up, everyone? It's your girl Geechee Meat Baby here with another video. I want to show you guys how I achieve my perfect wash and go. And here's my hair after it's been freshly washed. Oh, it smells so good. And what I did is pre-pooed it first with some African Pride pre-poo, which really loosened my hair up. And then I just washed it. So anywho, I'm going to start the process. And what I'm going to use is this Eco Style. It is olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. Maximum shine is 10. Maximum hold is 10. And it's for all hair types. Totally alcohol free, which I absolutely love because I don't want my hair to be dried out. Shines, hold, moisturizes, nourishes, repairs, promote hair growth, no flakes, no tacks, anti-itch. I need that because with my hair lately, well, with my scalp lately, I've been noticing that co-washes, for some odd reason, you know, the first, maybe second day, it's fine, and then my scalp is like, oh, time to do something about it, girl. So with that being said, I understand that part of my hair now. So what I'm actually going to use my own oil mixture. I'm also going to try this product I've never used before by Shea Moisture. It's a coconut hibiscus curling and gel sulfate. I hope I'm saying it right. I don't know. And it's for thick curly hair. And that's supposed to be good for anti-frizz as well. And then I'm going to use this Eco. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to use my little oil mixture. I'm going to show you guys how that come out, if you can see it. Ooh, it smells so good too. And then I'm going to use this first before I put the gel on. I'm going to put the gel on last. Okay. Am I the only one who likes to use the product on the little label, not labels, but inside lid things? I like to get all my dollars worth. So I'm going to take a little piece. So I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to add it to my hair, comb it through. And you want to make sure you cover the whole entire portion. So from end to the scalp area. Or tip to root, root to tip. Okay. And I do like my Denman brush because to me, the Denman brush really, in some areas, it defines the curls. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Let's see how this part looks. Okay, well, I feel like I have more on this side than that side. Okay, now this portion is just with the Shea Moisturizer Curl and Gel. Suffer, because I can't say that word. Well, what I'm going to do is add my Eco Style. I think it'll look better. I don't know. I like the Eco Style. I've never used this brand before. I've used the other green one they have. I've used this on my wash and go. This is the black castor oil and flaxseed oil, which I absolutely love. And as you can see, it is all gone. Get your money's worth. Not all, because I'm still going to be using what's left. So okay. Ooh, it smells great. Really great. Ooh. And gold. I love gold. So I'm going to take a little piece of this section. And I'm going to add this eagle style to it. Okay. Oh, y'all see that? Oh my God. Oh, okay. I ain't gonna let it go to waste. I'm gonna do another section without adding. I don't think I'm gonna add this to it. I think I'm just gonna add my oil and then the gel, the eco style, to see how my hair is gonna look. So I did leave some of the pre-poo material in my hair. I didn't rinse it all out, but it's not going to do anything to my hair. I just end up getting my t-shirt that I use to dry my hair, and I just wipe it out for the most part and continue on with my wash and go. I'm gonna have to do me one of them Apple Store videos that everybody's doing. I think I got some gloves like that and a tank top. And I'm gonna do a deep part. I want my part to be over here. So I'm going to finish with it. Ooh, okay. Looking like a little troll. I'm gonna, oh, maybe I should just wear it like this. What y'all think? Y'all think I can get away with it? I know I can. I wish somebody would say something. Alright, you guys, so I'm finished applying my gel. Like I said, I didn't add any more of the custard because I didn't like the way, I don't even know if you guys can see the difference. This is where I put the custard in the gel. One thing I can, I don't know, it feels kind of paperish. One thing I can say is that I believe this gel does a better job, in my opinion, than this one. Then the olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. I believe my black castor oil and flaxseed does better. I don't know, that's my opinion, but we'll see how it looks once it's dried. I can really, you know, give a better opinion per se. But I do like the way it defined my curls, so I definitely will, you know, use it because I did buy it. So it's Veterans Day. I'm a vet. What I'm going to do is try to catch some of these sales. Oh my God, my hair is growing. I haven't realized how much my hair is growing. I haven't had my hair straightened in over a year. And I told you guys why I had heat damage. So, okay, you guys. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's been 24 hours since I applied the gel. Actually, I had to re-wet my hair a little bit and add some more gel to it. But what I did notice is that it did leave small particles of flakes in my hair. So that was kind of disappointing because on the bio it says clearly no flakes, but that was a lie. So anyways, like I said, I still like the way it defines my hair, my curls. So the wash and go, this is day 2 of my wash and go. And I'll still use the product. I just know that I have to wash my hair maybe on the 3rd day, but don't let that discourage you. It may be what I have in my oil mixture that doesn't mix well with it. I don't know, but this is what you got.